welcome to Zoho. In this video, we'll see about Zoho's GSP solution. First, we'll see how the GSP solution works. We can fairly divide this into three sections: onboarding the ASP, configuring the sandbox and production accounts, and finally, how they can access the SelfHelp portal. With regards to onboarding, firstly, the ASPs have to register in Zoho's ASP registration page. We will then verify those details manually and then sign a contract with them. Then, the ASP has to sign up as a user in Zoho. Now we'll add the ASP in our admin console and create the client ID and secret for the sandbox account for the ASP to communicate with Zoho GSP sandbox environment. Once the ASP has tested all the APIs, we'll then be moving the ASP to the production environment. In the Zoho GSP admin section, we'll see how to disable the ASP, search for an ASP in the admin console, and view the ASP's API logs from our end. And in the final section, we'll see how ASPs can access their SelfHelp portal and how they can view, filter, and download the logs. To start with, businesses that are willing to sign up as an ASP have to fill in this form. This will be validated manually by Zoho, and after verification, we'll sign a contract with that business. Then the ASP has to sign up with Zoho as a user with the same email ID. Now, we'll add the ASP details in our admin console. This page can be accessed only by the Zoho employees who have the admin permissions. We'll click on Create ASP to add the business details. Here we'll enter the email address, company name, state, and the sandbox client ID, which is a unique ID generated by Zoho for every ASP. Once the ASP is added, the sandbox client secret will be generated. This is the client ID and secret with which the ASP will be communicating with Zoho's sandbox environment. An email will be sent to the ASP informing them that their ASP account has been created successfully. Then, we can also search for ASPs in the admin console. Here, we'll have the options to disable, check the API logs, and map the client ID and secret received from the GSTN for the sandbox account. And in case the ASPs request that their secret be reset, it can be reset with this button. Then, to move the ASP to production, we'll click on the Move to Production button. Here again, we'll have to enter the client ID. The secret key will be generated internally by Zoho, and we'll map that with the corresponding client ID and secret received from the GSTN for this production account. SelfHelp Portal. The ASPs can log into the ASP portal with the same password that they had created when signing up with Zoho. Here, the ASP users can check their API logs and the availability status of both the sandbox and the production accounts. Users can make use of the filters to drill down the search, and they can also download the logs with this download button. They can also view the organization details and log out using this option. Thank you.